Welcome to Mindset Love. In today's video we will show you the top 5 yoga retreats to restore your mind, body and soul. Number 5. Yoga Rosa Retreats. Situated in the agroturismo Can Bet, Ibiza, it is surrounded by a fragrant pine forest. Designed to give you a sense of harmony, the retreat offers you a healing combination of yoga asana flow, pranayama meditation, and quiet reflection. Additional therapies include healing deep tissue massage, energizing Thai massages, holistic colon cleanses, bioresonance therapy, powerful body balance, master Reiki, chakra and quantum healing. During your stay, you will calm your mind, remove worldly distractions, and transition into a place of peace and happiness. Number 4. Das Krontala, the Alpine Lifestyle Hotel. It is located in Tyrol, Austria. With its breathtaking scenery of the Alps and shores of Lake Zakinthos, it's the perfect place to escape from the busy everyday life. Take a yoga break fed by the eternal wisdom of the Alps. This resort offers a variety of yoga retreats such as Restart, Summer Breeze, Feel the Nature, and Winter Warm-Up. In addition to daily yoga and meditation sessions, the yoga retreat also includes spa treatments and workshops. Between mountain and lake, beginners as well as advanced yoga enthusiasts can find their inner peace and harmonize the body and mind. Number 3. Hridaya Yoga is located in 2 different countries, France and Mexico. Hridaya Yoga Mexico's Hilltop Center in Mazantay features breathtaking views of the Pacific Ocean, 4 yoga halls, a vegan dining room, and sustainably built accommodations. The Mexico retreat offers a year-round program of silent meditation retreats, yoga modules, workshops, volunteering, and drop-in meditations and hatha yoga classes. Hridaya Yoga France's home is a lovingly restored castle nestled in the beautiful Beaujolais countryside. It sits on 7 acres in the heart of Longueval Forest, affording stunning views of the Azix Valley and access to numerous hiking trails. The property features sunlit yoga and meditations halls, comfortable accommodations, a vegetarian restaurant, and expansive permaculture gardens. Join the year-round program of silent meditation retreats, yoga modules, workshops, volunteering, and drop-in meditations and hatha yoga classes. This atmosphere of serenity and stillness is ideal for finding inner peace. Number 2. Nomadicas, in Zakinthos, Greece. This bohemian escape is located within walking distance to Madrakia Beach. Above all, they are perfectly located to take trips to Cephalonia, the Blue Caves and famous Shipwreck Beach. All villas are next to each other at an amazing location with incredible views overlooking the beautiful port of Ias Nikolias. Enjoy your active and creative vinyasa yoga classes that consciously and gently move you towards your physical boundaries. Also, you can explore their beautiful beach and have a swim in the crystal clear water. If you are looking for more entertainment and connection, you can always join some workshops, ceremonies, and other fun group activities. After all this excitement, you will finish off the day with a deep relaxing yin yoga class while listening to the sound of the ocean. In short, this hidden oasis is the perfect place to relax, practice yoga and of course enjoy the Greek sun and sea. Number 1. Das Alpenhaus. The Alpine Hotel in Bad Hofgastein. Located in the Gastein Valley, this vitalizing landscape is surrounded by thermal springs and majestic peaks. This hotel is the ideal base for an active, relaxing and regenerative holiday. In spring and autumn, Europe's biggest yoga event takes place in the heart of the Alps, Yoga Days in Gastein. The spring event is called Breathe the Mountains, while the autumn Yoga Days event is called Source of Inspiration. Both events last 10 days, and everything in the Gastein Valley revolves around asana, pranayama, growing consciousness, flexibility and relaxation. Gastein's Yoga Days enchant visitors with their amazing variety. 40 renowned instructors from around the world impart their knowledge in over 300 varied yoga sessions and share their wealth of experience with the many participants. There are sessions for every style of yoga, from hot yoga and aerial yoga, right through to children's yoga. From keen beginners to advanced yogis, there is something for everyone at the Yoga Days in Gastein. Thank you for watching. Which yoga retreat was your favorite on the list? Let us know in the comments down below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more such videos.